Hello everybody, today we'll start with the fourth lesson of HTML5 series, which is deep learning of that HTML5. Today we have an empty HTML5 element, which we will know what are these empty HTML5 elements and how to deal with them. And also at the end we have so important tip that we will know it later. First of all, let's go and know what are these HTML5 elements. HTML5 elements is the elements that don't need the closing tag. For example, we have here the body, and this tag. This tag has a closing tag, which is this tag. This tag is a closing tag. So we write the body at the opening tag, and we have closing tag. For example, also the paragraph. Paragraph has an closing tag. So we have here an opening tag, and that one is the closing tag. The empty tags or empty elements in HTML5 means that the elements that doesn't need a closing tag. So here we will open one of them, which is the BR, which means the break. This one doesn't need a closing tag. The closing tag only the forward slash. This forward slash is instead of closing tag. So now this PR means it give us a break line, means it gives us a space before the text that we write. For example, here I will add a heading, which is h1, and I will write header 1, and I will duplicate it. And okay, beside that header, I will write the BR or break line. Okay, I will write one, and we will see now how is it working. I will save that file and go ahead to say what do we mean with BR or BR tag, which is break line. Here, you know, this space came from the BR tag. So this is the heading, and this thing, and there's between them BR. So this is the BR. It's closing. It's empty tag. So we have another empty tags, which would be like the HR. Also, HR is a closing an empty tag, which is have no closing tag, only the forward slash tag, which is instead of closing tag. HR means horizontal line. We could see now. I will refresh. We have two horizontal lines, and we'll see now. Yes, those are two horizontal lines. Means HR means horizontal lines. We have another empty tags. For example, the most popular empty tags is the doctype HTML. This one doesn't need any closing tag, only it closed itself. Also, we have the image. The image, as we have learned in the previous lesson, image does not need any closing tag, only the source of the image and the forward slash. This is an empty tag too. So this was the lesson for today, which was about the empty tags, which we have learned. The BR, which is an empty tag. Also we have the HR, which is the empty tag too. There is small sensitive tip that I could, and there's a small sensitive tip that I need to tell you, which is the case sensitive in HTML. HTML5 and the previous versions, the HTML4 and the previous ones, that is not case sensitive. Means when you write, for example, P with capital, means the paragraph with capital, and you close it, and the other tag you write it with small, okay, like that. The HTML5 doesn't care whether it's small and the other closing tags capital. It's the same, but it's more acceptable and more practicable that you do it in small cases. All programmers do or program the HTML5 or any HTML coding with small cases. So HTML5 is not like XHTML, which is the last, which is case sensitive, means it differ with it if you work with capital or small So both all letters should be capital or small. All tags should be capital or small, but HTML5 does not care about that. So this was the lesson for today, and see you in the next lesson, and bye.